Hello, this is the second video in our series called Not WordPress. As you have seen in the last video, we have done the installation for our website with the help of Superbase as a backend. And then once the installation is done, we landed on this page. Okay. So now I want to show you the dashboard of the page. Again, this page is completely customizable, just an Next.js page. So don't worry about it. So I'm gonna go to the admin panel and it will verify me first before logging in. Obviously you have to provide your admin credentials when you're registering. Okay, good. So this is the dashboard, and on the dashboard you can see that we have posts, we have pages, we have media. So we're gonna go through everything one by one, right? So this is the post section, which is I'm more excited about. So you can create posts on your website by just clicking add new, but I want to show you how all of it works, right? So I'm going to click on add new post, and then to create a post, I'm going to go to YouTube and say WordPress slow. And then I'm going to see if I can find something with a lot of views per hour. So this is 7, this is 6, this one is 2. Okay, if I can find something here, 8x faster. This is 5. This is 1. Code WordPress setting tutorial. 3 reasons why my website is slow. Okay, this is also very good. So maybe we could do that. Yeah, how to 3x increase your site speed. That looks good, right? So I'm gonna copy the title here. Okay, right click, go on my AI assistant here, and then click on medium article prompt. Now what is this going to do is this is going to open up the window for me and then write the article for me. So while it is doing that, I'm gonna go to my website and then copy paste here, and then I'll say 2026 because we are towards the end of 2025. Click create post, and that will take me to the editor here, which is amazing, right? So I'm gonna select all, remove everything from here, and then check on the article here if it is ready or not. So if you remember, we wanted the article on how to 3x. So this is here, the article is ready. So I'm gonna copy this article. Oh, I think it stopped doing it for some reason. So let me change the model from here. So the model is Gemini Flash. So if I go back again and then click article prompt and then see if we can get the article ready for us, because I have created one before. So I'm creating the another one, and let's see what it does. So if I do that, if not, then we will try it with ChatGPT and see if it works for us. Okay, so yep, that works. So I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna scroll to the up of the article and then copy, go back to my editor and then paste it here. And as you can see, the article is here. So I'm gonna remove the title altogether, and then it will save it. And then I want to show you how I can add. So let's say if I want to add this video on this article, I'm gonna go click on the video. The video is here. What if I want to add an image? So I'm gonna go to here and say word website speed, maybe search. There you go. Word website speed is there. I think this would be good, so I'm gonna add that, and then save. So once we save, it will save into the database. But let's have a look at the preview first. So when we click on the preview, it again opens a different page on the admin panel, and obviously for the admin, it has to verify the authentication. This is how it's going to look, very simple and straightforward. So this is the preview. So we close it and then we click on publish. And then the moment we publish it, it goes to the front end of the website where we can see it. So let's go to the front end of the website and then visit the blog section. And then we will see that the blog is here, and then we click on it, and it shows the headline, the breadcrumb, and the video, and then the whole article. And we will be improving the whole design, so don't worry about it. So this is how you can actually create the posts on your website. Other thing I wanted to show you is if you are on the article, you're writing it, you can backslash and then this will open up. You can add some GIFs. So let's say WordPress, and it will show you the GIFs to be added. So I'm gonna let's do that. I like this one, Dino. So Dino is here, so I'm gonna put it here. And if you want to actually include a video here or a Twitter post, then you can do that. So let's say Twitter slow WordPress. Oh, okay. So I think I have to search for slow WordPress on the Twitter. It's asking me to log in. X.com and slow WordPress. Cool plugins. Let's see this one. Okay. I mean, you can embed your X posts here. You can embed your YouTube videos here. So let's say if I do this and then go YouTube, and then it kind of embeds it here. So we will be improving this editor also going forward. But yeah, that is how it is. And then you save, and then if you save, it saves in the draft, but until you press the publish button, it doesn't actually publish it. So right now it is not here, but obviously we refresh it because it's a SSR component. It will show us the things which we have added. Okay, so this is the post section. So that's how the post section work. And then you go to the pages. Pages, it's not built yet, so pages will be more about creating dynamic pages where you can drag and drop. So I'll be showing that into future videos. Media section, very cool. You can create multiple subfolders. So let's say, for example, I created a folder like GIF, and then it's there. And then you can actually create subfolders also, and then inside the folders you can upload the images from upload files. And if you want to move the images, you can select them multiple and then click on move, and then select which folder you want to move, and then it will be moved to that particular folder. So that's pretty easy and straightforward. In the users section, we have all the users listed on your website. So we will be implementing more features around here, and then a lot of new things are coming into this CMS. So hang tight, go on the website called notwp.com, register for our newsletter, and we'll keep you posted. Okay, happy coding.